pi.
Wait, what's that? It's definitely not pi.
Well, it is pi. It's just a better version than what you have there.
How's that better? It's a symbol. This is at least food.
Well, while your pi can eventually be finished, this pi is infinite. Now, though it may be a symbol, it's actually a series of numbers. It's not quite edible, though.
Really? But, so what? If it can't be eaten, then it's just boring.
Well, if we didn't have pi, we can find the area of a circle or the circumference.
Well, why do we need to know those things?
Think of a clock. Now, if we knew the circumference, we could just cut that into 12 equal parts on the outside. Or if an architect is building a fountain, how would they know how large to make the foundation for the fountain if they didn't know the area of the circles they're building?
Well, I haven't thought about that, but this is still better. I'm still sort of confused about this. How did they come up with it?
Well, funny you should ask. Depending on who you ask, pi was primarily found by the Babylonians.
Well, that's cool and all, but now we have calculators that can calculate those things for us.
Aha. But to get that in there, it has to be programmed in. See, without pi, we wouldn't have been able to program that into the calculator.
So, how long has this been used for? Sure, the Babylonians found it, but how long has it been used?
Pi has actually been used for about 250 years regularly for math.
Now, this is cool and all, but are there reasons why it's called pi? It seems dumb to call an infinite number of food.
Well, if you're looking at it like it's food, it sort of is, but they do have a reason. You see, pi is actually named after the 16th letter of the Greek alphabet. That's also where its symbol comes from, see?
I'm starting to get into this whole pi thing. I guess pi is pretty cool after all.
Cool. Now that I've got you convinced that this is better, wanna trade?
Well, this is just a picture.